Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix vibration not working on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, you can go to your settings application, and after you have the settings application opened, you can go to the sounds and vibration setting, this one guys, and go to the vibration intensity, and here you need to increase the vibration intensity. And then if the tutorial or the trick isn't working on your phone, you can just go to your device care. Just scroll down and find the device care feature, this one guys. And then you have to go to the diagnostics, right? And there will be some options for you, and you have to choose the phone diagnostics, and you have to fix the vibration right here. You can test a function individually by tapping its icon. Then we can click on the vibration because we want to fix the vibration problem on our Samsung Galaxy phone. And you just need to follow the instruction to run diagnostic, turn on app notification, and then try again. Okay, and I'm just going to turn on the app notification on my setting. I'm just going to allow the notification. Okay, and here we have to test the call vibration. Just click on vibrate. Alright, and we have to answer this question. Did your phone vibrate normally? And then if your phone doesn't vibrate normally, you can click on no. And after that, you have to test the notification vibration. Just click on vibrate. Okay, and let's just select no. Let's say that there's a problem with the vibration on my phone. And here we can read the explanation. Try restarting your phone and running this test again. If vibration still doesn't work, call customer service. Alright guys, and that's how we can fix the vibration not working on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.